everyone, and welcome back to What the Fun English, your place to practice real, everyday English with confidence.
I'm Josh, that's Becky, and today we're bringing back our guessing game, but this time it's all about animals. If you enjoy these episodes, feel free to subscribe for more lessons like this one.
Here's how it works. I'll describe an animal using the 5 senses: sight, touch, smell, sound, and, well, not taste. And Josh will try to guess what it is.
And all the animals today are small, friendly creatures, nothing that bites too hard. Probably.
Ready?
Ready. First question, what does it look like?
It looks small and fluffy.
Small and fluffy. Could be a kitten. Is it a kitten?
Not a kitten.
Right. Next, what does it feel like?
It feels soft and warm.
Soft and warm. Okay. That makes me think of a rabbit. Is it a rabbit?
Not a rabbit.
Then let's keep going. What does it smell like?
It smells a little like wood shavings.
Wood shavings, so it probably lives in a little cage. Makes me think of a hamster. Is it a hamster?
Good try, but not a hamster.
Okay, next sense. What does it sound like?
It sounds quiet, but sometimes it makes a tiny chirping sound.
Chirping? Like the sound crickets make?
Yes, that general idea, but softer. Crickets chirp loudly. This is gentle.
All right. Last one. What does it taste like?
I'm absolutely not tasting it.
Worth checking.
Let's recap the clues.
Okay. Small, fluffy. Soft, warm. Smells like wood shavings. Tiny chirping sound. Is it a guinea pig?
Yes, you got it.
Finally. 1 point for me.
Now it's my turn to guess.
Same rules, small animals, beginner-friendly adjectives, all 5 senses.
Let's go. First question. What does it look like?
It looks long and skinny.
Long and skinny. Like a worm? Is it a worm?
Nope, this one has legs.
Okay. Next. What does it feel like?
It feels smooth. Not soft, smooth.
Smooth and long. Maybe a lizard? Is it a lizard?
Close, but no.
All right, what does it smell like?
It has almost no smell. Very neutral.
Definitely not a ferret then. Those guys have opinions.
True.
What does it sound like?
It's quiet, but when it moves fast, you hear a light scratching sound.
Scratching? Like mice on the floor?
Yes, that kind of sound. But this one is not a mouse.
Okay, last one. What does it taste like?
Dusty. Probably. But please don't test it.
No worries, I left my brave side at home.
Time for your guess?
Long, skinny, smooth, quiet, scratching sound? Is it a gecko?
Exactly.
Nice! 2 for 2.
Your challenge today. Choose an animal and describe it using the 5 senses. Even 2 simple adjectives per question help a lot.
And if you want extra practice, write your description in the comments. We love reading what you create.
And if this little game helped you learn new adjectives, share it with someone learning English too.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you next time.